Hello guys, welcome to Dudel World. This is a channel dedicated for graphic design tips and how to use premium account and why you should use premium account. So please you support us by subscribing to the channel and also reach out to us through our WhatsApp groups. If you have any complaint or challenge in using our books or all our accounts, so please send us a message or use the comment section, and also share our WhatsApp group to all your friends so they can also benefit from this freebie. Thank you. So just watch the video explain about how to use the cookies, and all you need to do is to go to the Google and search for web store and allow it to load. So now you need to search for cookies editor. You search for cookies editor. Okay, this is cookies editor. All you need to do is to install it in your browser, and then you will access a file from us. So when we give you this file, you can be able to use it to access any web you want or app of your choice. So thank you as you watch to the end of the video, and ensure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. After installing the cookie editor, you will access a file from me. The file link will be in the description or through the WhatsApp group. So all you need to do is to copy this code and paste it in your cookie editor. Then go back and refresh your browser. Refresh the website. If it is Netflix, you refresh Netflix. If it's Coursera, you refresh the Coursera website. Then you'll be able to access all necessary information you want to access, all from our heart we are giving you. So please support our channel, subscribe, watch everything about our videos. We will be grateful you do so. Thank you. You can use the comment section to give us a thumbs up.